This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to set up TradingView alerts. TradingView offers powerful tools to keep you informed about market movements, even when you are away from your screen. We will cover the essential steps to create, customize, and manage these notifications. You can receive alerts for specific price levels, indicator crosses, or even custom conditions. This feature is incredibly useful for staying on top of your trading strategy and never missing a potential opportunity. To create a basic price alert, simply right-click directly on the chart at the exact price level where you want the alert to trigger. A context menu will appear. Select the option labeled Add Alert. From there, a pop-up window will guide you through setting the specific conditions. You can choose whether the alert triggers once or every time the price crosses that level, and select your preferred notification method, such as a sound or email. It's a straightforward process. Beyond simple price levels, TradingView allows you to set up advanced alerts using various indicators. For instance, you can configure an alert to trigger when the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, crosses above 70, or when a fast-moving average crosses below a slow-moving average. The alert window provides a wide range of conditions like crossing up, greater than, or entering channel. These sophisticated options enable you to automate monitoring for complex trading strategies. Once created, all your alerts are easily accessible and manageable within the dedicated Alerts panel, usually found on the right side of your TradingView interface. From this panel, you have full control to edit an alert's conditions, pause it temporarily, or delete it entirely if it's no longer needed. You can also customize how you receive notifications, choosing from options like a pop-up on your screen, an email, or even a webhook to integrate with other applications. This ensures you stay informed your way.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.